I am in Malaysia. So mga darling, good morning. It's our full day, day 3 of our SD Seria 2024, leaving the condo again. And I'm gonna meet Ate Cathy all the way to Jurong East from Upper Changi. Mamadali ako. Ayan. It's the uphill. Tapos, she mentioned a place that we can go to na kaya ng oras. So, ayan. Tignan natin mga darling, sa tayo makakarating. I'll take you there. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit.
Hello.
Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work 'cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life 'cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I am in Malaysia. Malay mo, Malaya, Malaysia. Malaysia. Oh God, unexpected. I'm in Malaysia.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a night.
Yung safety ng Singapore, ganun din ba dito? Or mas maano na?
Club for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
We're in Malaysia. Saan tayo pupunta, ate? Pangalan no? Sanibong Bay Seafood. Parang mall siya.
Hindi siya. Ano lang siya, kainan lang siya.
Kainan siya.
Ano siya?
For the food experience.
So,
Para ano tayo niya? Eat and run.
yeah, eat and run. May more naman.
May bus pa rin naman pala yung ano dito. Yun, see you later for our lunch, seafood.
Lunch na ba?
already?
Why? We came all the way.
Totoo. Close for lunch.
Nước ito cooking Korea. I like ăn rau. What time? Can we just see outside there?
Okay. Charge the experience again. It's okay, ate. At least may kalibot ka ta somehow. Oh, ito yung parang ano. Dagat ba niyan to? Tsaka Senibong Bay. So may time yung service nila. This is Senibong Bay, Malaysia. Tumbling sa Malaysia. Kaloy. Kapag-tumbling sa Malaysia. So, yun na nga mga darling, since we were unable to have our lunch sa may Senibong Bay, we just explored the area and found the nearest mall dyan sa may Johor Bahru. And ayan na nga, nakahanap kami ng mall and we went to a Japanese restaurant. And in all fairness mga darling ha, napakamura ng pagkain dito sa may Malaysia. Because as you can see there mga darling, ang dami namin talagang pagkain in order. And then when we paid, siguro ang halaga ng nakain namin in terms of peso is around mga 1,000 plus lang or something. So sulit na sulit talaga ang paggala namin dito sa Malaysia, dito sa may Johor Bahru. Kaya isa sa mga travel advice ko, if you are visiting Singapore, mag-allot kayo ng extra 1 day para makapag-tumbling sa may Johor Bahru, Malaysia. At least you get to experience another country. Somehow you can notice some of the differences ng progress ng Malaysia versus Singapore. And of course, mura lang naman yung bus dyan mga darling. Hindi mauubos yung laman ng card ninyo. And as mentioned sa aking previous video, I'm so sorry pala mga darling, medyo it took a while for me to upload this bonus video about my experience sa Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Medyo na busy lang po ng konti, patawarin nyo na ako mga darling ko. And syempre, maraming salamat sa aking mga darling sa pagsubaybay po sa aking Singapore serye. Ako po'y sobrang overwhelmed at syempre lumalaki na po ang ating channel. Sana naman panoorin niyo po ang aking videos at abangan pa po ang mga susunod natin mga travel contents. And for this year, ito na ang ating final, last video for an international travel. I was actually hoping na makaalis internationally ng December. Kaya lang a lot of things happen kasi like mga bagyo. Alam niyo naman yung November, sunod-sunod yung mga bagyo natin mga darling. So ang hirap talagang mag-plan para sa mga getaways natin. Which is why mga darling, it's actually safer kung mag-plan ka na muna or mag-plan na muna tayo for a local travel. So share ko lang mga darling yung mga takeaways natin for the Singapore vlog. Syempre nasulit yung long weekend holiday. Actually late upload na ako kasi ang long weekend holiday is noong August pa yan. So itong last video for the international or should I say for the Singapore serye is November ko na na-upload. Pasensya pasensya na po talaga. And then secondly, nasulit talaga natin yung 4 days nating travel kasi madami tayong napuntahan, marami tayong napasyalan, mga photo ops, ayan, sobrang enjoy po tayo at maximize yung mga araw natin. At tipid hack mga darling, remember yung mga photo op natin, wala tayong binayaran, most of them are for free. Pero may mga pasyalan pa rin naman na hindi natin napasukan kasi may mga ticket yon, which is what we are going to look forward to kung babalik tayo sa Singapore. Kaya ayan mga darling, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa short video na ito sa ating experience sa Johor Bahru, Malaysia. At hanggang sa susunod pa nating mga adventures mga darling!